Now children, next topic is our English related for English topic, but FL, CR word, FR word, DR word and SC word. Okay. So children, before let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date today? Today 7 November 2020. Which day today? Today Saturday. How is weather outside? Cold. And which season going on? Winter season. Children, in last video I have already revised FL word, GR word, GL word and SR word. Okay. Now next is our topic. Read the words begin with SC and circle them. That means SC word. Which book number? SC word, book number 3 and page number 1 minute. Read the words begin with SC and circle them. Okay. So first sentence is our NEETY Nitu, NEETU Nitu, had HAD had, TO2 BUY buy, ART art material. Nitu had to buy art material. Nitu had to buy art material. So look here children, there is no SC word. Okay. And second sentence is DADDY daddy, TOOK took, NEETU Nitu, TO2 sorry, THE the, SHOP shop, on, HIS his, SCOOTER scooter. Daddy took Nitu to the shop on his scooter. So these one circle them. Okay, scooter, SC word. Understand? Where is SC word? Scooter. Daddy took Nitu to the shop on his scooter. And third one is a NEETU Nitu, BOUGH bought, a PAINT pant, BRUSH brush, SCALE scale, AND and CRAYONS crayons. Nitu bought a paint brush. Nitu bought a paint brush, scale and crayon. So these one SC word we circle them. Scale. Okay. And next fourth one NEETU Nitu, WAS was, SCARED scared of, SITTING sitting, on, THE the, SCOOTER scooter. So SH she, SAT sat, BEHIND behind, AND HEALD had, DADDY daddy, TIGST tight. Nitu was scared of sitting on the scooter, so she sat behind and had daddy tight. Okay, where is SC word? So these one SC word we circle them. Then there is also, okay, and fifth one on, THE the, WAY way, on the way back, DADDY daddy, on the back daddy, and daddy and Nitu had a scoop of ice cream. Okay, these one SC word. Okay. On the way back, daddy and Nitu had a scoop of ice cream. Scoop of ice cream. Understand? And next page. Understand children, this activity is completed. You only for this activity you can do only for in your book. You don't do copy in your notebooks, only for this activity in your book and circle them, book number 3. Now next activity, book number 3, page number 39. Okay, read the words that begin with CR and circle them. CR and circle them. Okay, circle them. Children, I like to color. I like to color. DEDDY daddy, BOUGHT bought, MEME a COLOURING coloring book. IT it HS, daddy bought me a coloring book. It has many. IT it HS has MANY many. It has many creatures. CREATURES creatures like a crab. CRAB crab. A CROCODILE crocodile. And a fish. It has many creatures like a crab, a crocodile and a fish. So here is CR word, so we circle them. Then next, IT it, ALSO also, it also has, HS has, FEW few, BIRDS birds, ILIKE like. It also has a few birds, LIKE like a pigeon, PIGEON pigeon, a crow and a crane. It also has a few birds like a pigeon, a crow and a crane. We circle crow and crane. Then I will color them with my crayons. CRAYONS crayons. I will color them with my crayons. Understand? Children, this activity is also related from book number 3. You can copy down. So only for in your book you circle them, not a copy down. Understand? And next activity is also page number, book number 3, page number 47. Understand? So what is our heading? Read the words that begin with DR. Read the words and words that begin with DR and circle also. ONE one, DAY day, one day, DADY daddy, TOOK took, ROBIN robin, FOR a, DRIVE drive, IN in, the CAR car. One day daddy took Robin for a drive in the car. So we circle here drive. Okay. So here is drive. Next, ROBBIN Robin, LOOKED looked, HAPPILY happily. Robin looked happily, 88, ALL all, TH eat, the, THING is things, THEY they, PASSED passed by. Robin looked happily at all the things they passed by. Okay. No DR word in this sentence. Okay. Next one, he saw, HESAW saw. He saw a DRUM drum. DRUM drum. KIT kit, IN in a music, MUSIC music. SHOP shop. He saw a drum. He saw a drum. We circle here drum. Kit in a music shop. He saw a drum kit in a music shop. He, SAW, saw, MANY, many, COLOUR, color, FUL, full, colorful. He saw many colorful dresses. DRESSES, dresses, in another, ANOTHER, another shop, dresses. We circle lamp, dresses. Here is dresses. Okay, children. Next, he also, 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 he also, SAW, saw, MANY, many, he also saw many flowers. Some of them had drops of water on them. He also saw many flowers. Some of them had drops of water on them. Then next is on, the, on the way, BACK, back, on the way back, HOME, home, THEY, they, on the way back home, they stopped, TOO2, DRINK, drink, stop to drink some coconut water. On the way back home, they stopped to drink some coconut water. Next, last one is Robin came home and drew all the things he saw. Drew. Okay, here is drew, and upside also drink. Understand, children? So on the way back home, they stopped to drink some coconut water. Next, Robin came home and drew all the things he saw. Understand? Next page, book number 3, but what is our heading? Read the words that begin with FR and circle them. So you read this sentence and where is FR word and you circle them. So first is our MY, my, FRIENDS, friends, my friends, AND, and I, WENT, went, and I went, TO2, AN, amusement, PARK, park, along, 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 with our parents. So in this sentence is not a FR word, no. So friends, okay, FR words. Here is friends, so we circle them friends. Understand? The next is we, WENT, went. We went by bus, THE, the, ENTRY, entry. We went by bus. The entry to the park was free. FREE, free. Here is free, FR free. Okay. Then next is we sat on, MANY, many, RIDES, rides. We sat on many rides. Tia and Rina sat in front of me. So front of me, FRONT, front. Here is front, it's a FR word. And next, we played many games as well. Rina on a toy frog. We played many games as well. Rina on a toy frog, FR word. Here is frog, FR word. And fifth one, we bought a picture frame from a shop at the park. Frame, 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 FROM, from a shop at the park. And last one is we all walk home, FROM, from, THE, the park park. We all walked home from the park after having some fresh fruit juice. So fresh fruit. Okay, understand? This activity book related for 3 and 4. So you copy down, that means you circle them only for these sentences, and which one is our heading, circle them. Okay.